I kiss you. I kiss you. You smell like banana now. I kiss you. It's bright in here. Is it night time? Is it nap time for Suri and Mommy? Oh, yeah. She likes to sit right here, right under my nose. Okay. Turn off the bright lights. Oops, now you can't see us. Alright, turn it back on. Maybe the other one.
Suri.
There, that's better. Suri. I kiss you. I kiss you. Can you say I kiss you? I know you can. You're so shy. Why are you so shy? Thank you. Thank you. Alright, let's go night-night. Let's go night-night. Are you tired? What's going on?
Naughty bird.
Suri. Oh, you just peeled my lips. They're dry. Is that a little monkey on her pillow? You're a little monkey? You eat bananas? Suri eat bananas? Don't pinch me. Okay. So sweet.
She is a monkey.
Yeah, she's a little monkey. Oops. Okay. Now she's gonna clean out her ear nails. Oh. She's gonna sit on my boob and clean herself.
That's a perfect spot.
I keep moving her, she just keeps getting on my boob. Suri. Silly. Silly. It's nap time. I'm just gonna sit on my boob. Sorry. I can just sit on the pillow. Why do you have to be on my boob? Stop it. It's right there. Don't.
She's not really a bird. She's more like a mouse.
You just gotta be on my boob. Okay, just stay there then. I've moved her like 4 times and she just keeps going back on my... What are you doing? Suri. Okay, it's time to go night time. She's not done cleaning.
She's gonna be there for hours.
Okay. I love you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. I kiss you.